What's up mga guys? Welcome back sa aking channel. This is Tess Home, and for today's vlog, we are going to make a foliar fertilizer. This is very organic and very good to our plants. Okay, here we go. We have 3 ingredients only. We have our brown sugar, our papaya, and our banana. So here we go. We are going to start now. So, I'll be using only 1 banana. So, i-chop natin ang ating banana and then set aside. Okay? Next, isusunod natin ang ating papaya. Cut into half. And then, we are going to scoop the seeds and then chop. I'll be using only half of the papaya. Use a spoon or a scooper to take out the seeds of the papaya. Okay? Just take out the seeds of the papaya and you can set it aside or dry, and then you can plant that one in the future. It's about time to slice our papaya and chop them and put them in our measuring cup. Just continue chopping the papaya until it is finished, and then the next procedure you must need to watch. Okay? Just keep the banana skin and the papaya skin, and then you are going to put that one on your compost or buried in the raised beds. Okay? So this is what I do on the skin of the banana. I just chop them, including the papaya skin. Then later, I will put that one in my raised beds covered with soil. Okay? In our big bowl, we are going to put 2 cups of the fruits, a combination of papaya and banana. And then we will add 2 cups of brown sugar. So the ratio of this is 1:1. Mix it well. Mix, and then put into container. So be sure that your container is clean, okay? So after this process, guys, you are going to put this mixture or covered cling wrap and then put to your cupboards and set for 8 to 15 days, okay? So luckily, guys, I still have my previous foliar in my jar. So now I will be showing you how I used my foliar. So here we go. I need to open this one, guys. It's very tough. So shake it first, then open the bottle. Then use a measuring cup. So I'll be using 1/3 cup of my foliar fermented juice. Yun, nilagay na natin. At ilagay natin na yan, guys, sa ating spray bottle. Ang ating spray bottle, guys, that's 1 liter yan. So, yun. Next, fill up the bottle with water. So be sure the water is clean. So now it is done. So we are going to our garden and I will show you how I use it. So So ito guys, ini-sprayhan ko sila ng foliar itong ating flowers. Ito ang ating tomato guys, para magkaroon pa siya ng maraming. Isprayhan pa natin guys. Dito tayo sa ating strawberries. So ito yung aking mga strawberries guys, oh. So dito guys, nakakuha ko ng malaki the other day. So ito, meron na siya. So isprayhan pa rin natin guys. Ganyan lang. Para pa dami pa ng kanyang bulak. Ito din. So may purpose guys, para magkaroon tayo ng maraming bulak at yield na rin. So this foliar fertilizer guys is good for all flowering plants like vegetables, flowers, and even flowering trees. So you can spray I also spray my tomatoes. So marami na siyang bunga guys. Kaya sprayhan pa natin ang tip ng ating tomato. So magkaroon tayo ng maraming harvest. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, hit the notification bell, press all para updated kayo sa susunod kong mga videos. So look at all, marami ng mga bunga. So I hope you learned something out of these videos. So thank you for watching and enjoy! Bye-bye!